In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up workflows in HubSpot. Let's dive right in and get you started with creating efficient and automated processes for your tasks. To begin, open up HubSpot and make sure you're logged into your account. Having your credentials up to date will ensure a seamless experience as you navigate the platform. Once you're in, your first step is to find your way to the trial guide. This guide is an invaluable resource that offers you all the materials and information you need to start your form-building journey. It's like having a virtual assistant right beside you, guiding you through each crucial step of the setup process. Now, head over to your homepage. On the main navigation bar, you'll want to click on Automation. This is where the magic happens. Once inside the Automation section, select Workflows. This option is crucial as it's the hub where all your workflow configurations will take place. With the Workflows panel open, click on Create Workflow. This is your starting line for building a new process. You'll then select From Scratch. HubSpot offers you the flexibility to tailor your workflows to fit your unique requirements. If you're new or need some inspiration, you can explore by selecting Templates. This is a great feature as it provides pre-designed options that you can adapt and use to meet your needs. Once you find a template that fits, go ahead and click Use Template. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see an option to choose triggers to start your workflow. Triggers are essential as they define the conditions under which your workflow will activate. For example, you might want a workflow to start when a new contact is added or when a form is completed. Customizing these settings will refine how your automation functions. To further optimize your workflow's effectiveness, you can proceed to the Settings tab. Here, you get the chance to fine-tune other elements of your workflow, like timing, actions, and notifications. These additional configurations are crucial for ensuring that your workflow operates smoothly and aligns with your business processes. Once you've input all the necessary configurations and customized the settings to your satisfaction, it's time to perform a test. Testing is a pivotal step to catch any errors or areas of improvement before going live. After running your checks and ensuring everything is functioning as expected, the final step is to click Review and Publish. This step officially launches your workflow into action. And that's it. You've successfully set up your workflow in HubSpot. With these automations in place, you're on your way to optimizing your processes, saving valuable time, and driving productivity in your business. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial.